In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can search for online template and themes in PowerPoint. So let's get started. So let's open PowerPoint first. Go to the Windows search bar and type Power, PNT. PowerPoint will appear under the best match. So this is very helpful, especially if you want to create an artistic designs wherein there are creative styles. So what you can do is you need to click on the File tab on the ribbon, then click on New. And here you will find all the suggested searches. So you have here for presentations. And there are a lot of templates that will appear from here. And you also have for themes. You have for microbiology. You have for gallery. You have for frame, droplet. You have for integral. So there are a lot of themes right here. And then click on the back. You also have here page for education, educational purposes, the slides, the templates for educational purposes. You have different designs from here that you can choose from. You also have here for the charts. And these are ready-made templates or ready-made designs. You also have here for diagrams. So there are a lot to choose from here. You also have for business, and this is very useful for business presentations. So these templates can be very useful for you. On how you can use the template. So once you have selected or chosen your right template, just simply click on that and you will find this create button. Click on that and that will start downloading the template for you. So make sure you are connected to an internet connection. And here you can find these templates. So you can simply edit this presentation. You just have to click on that and then you have to replace this with your own text. Okay, just have to go through each slide. The best thing is you are no longer going to create designs because these are already ready-made templates and these are very presentable templates. Okay, so that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.